without any fear.
Give us an understanding about these bandit leaders. Up to now, we see Bello Turji is still nowhere in sight. Does that give you any kind of worry, though?
Well, I believe Bello Turji is just a matter of time. His days are numbered because I can see the commitment from the armed forces in terms of taking Bello Turji out. In fact, that same axis where the incident took place is actually the axis of Bello Turji. And I'm sure now Bello Turji is is hiding somewhere, but it's just a matter of time. We will get him very, very soon. I'm confident, I'm optimistic, and I believe the armed forces also, this time around, they are ready to do that. And that was exactly what we've been talking about all these days, all these years.